While working with entrepreneurs and business owners for more than 8 years, I discovered 3 things. First, the secret of business growth and profitability is lead generating marketing that works. Secondly, I also know that most business owners don't do enough marketing. Thirdly, they don't have the level of marketing know-how that is required to achieve those desired results. The great news is that I can help you solve all 3 of these issues in my 8-week marketing bootcamp for business owners and entrepreneurs. After every session, you can apply the learnings effortlessly into your business to start achieving the desired results. It makes my work as your coach fun and easy. Every participant will receive the notes and templates on a weekly basis, as well as the opportunity to network with other business owners throughout the bootcamp. Over the 8 weeks of the program, you will learn everything you need to know about lead generating marketing, how to market with no budget, email and digital marketing strategies, and lastly, how to drastically increase the sales conversion rate. Join me for a complimentary overview of the Marketing Bootcamp to find out what it can do for you and your business.